Do you need to delete a specific photo or multiple photos from the Google Photos app, but you don't want to delete those photos from your phone? I'll show you how you can do just that, and the steps are the same for both iOS and Android devices. The first thing that we will do is to open our Google Photos application, and I'll open this photo of my keyboard. Let's say I want to delete this photo from my Google Photos library, but I want this photo to remain on my phone. When I tap on the trash can icon, it's going to give me a pop-up message saying that it's going to delete the photo from my device, as well as my Google Photos library. But we don't want that, so just follow my steps. You want to exit the Google Photos application and then open any web browser on your iPhone or Android. It can be Safari, it can be Google Chrome, it really doesn't matter. Once you open the browser, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Google account, and we will then navigate to photos.google.com. As you can see here, we've opened the Google Photos library in our browser, and if you're on a different Google account, you can easily change it by tapping on the 3 lines at the top left, and then tap on your profile picture and change your Google account to the correct account. I'll now open the same keyboard photo here, and I'll tap on the little trash can icon at the top. This will delete the keyboard photo from my photo gallery, but it will not delete this photo from my device or camera roll. I've deleted a couple more photos from my Google Photos library by using this trick, and when I go ahead and open my photo gallery, I can see that all of my photos are here. So that is how to delete photos or videos from your Google library, but not from your device. If you need more similar iPhone and Google Photos tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.